I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide apps on the Apple CarPlay screen. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down the menu and tap General. Step 3. Tap CarPlay in the General Settings menu. Step 4. Select your vehicle from the list of paired cars. Step 5. Tap Apps on this screen to view your active app layout. Step 6. Look through the included apps list to find the app you want to remove and then tap the red minus icon next to it. Step 7. Tap Delete when it appears. This action instantly drops the app down to the More Apps section at the bottom of the screen, effectively hiding it from your car's dashboard. If you ever want to bring a hidden app back to your dashboard, you can do it from this exact same menu. Just scroll down to the More Apps section and tap the green plus icon next to any app you want to restore. It will instantly jump back into your active layout. While you are on this customization screen, you can also rearrange your active apps by pressing and holding the three horizontal lines next to any app name and dragging it up or down. The apps at the top of this list will appear on the very first page of your CarPlay screen, making it easy to put your favorite navigation and music tools right at your fingertips. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.